Okay, we are completely out of breakfast food and we're now going to barbecue something for breakfast. If you're going to barbecue in severely cold winter weather, you have to remember that liquid propane is really liquid, which means that most of this stuff in the tank right now is liquid, and if I try to barbecue with it and turn on the grill, it won't turn on. You gotta shake it up and shake it up and shake it up so that some of the liquid becomes gas, I don't know, or enough of the gas floats to the top so that you can get a flame on the barbecue. So this is the first step to barbecuing in the winter time. Shake up your tank of liquid propane so you gotta get enough gas so you can get the barbecue to start. Okay, let me just turn this off.